TV, boy. Hey. Hey, you. Oh, my God. Do you like TV?
No, not yet. Secret's all in the cooling, and in fact, it'll probably cool faster on the windowsill. I'm requesting for juvenile. Hot, hey. Okay, but while we're waiting, there's just one thing I have to say. Hey, this is not about a cake. This is about trust. It is a sad day when a husband forces a wife to bake for him just to prove she's not a liar. Do you have any idea how offensive that is? Cake's ready. Ah, there. One perfect.
Hi, you. Hi, you.
Only trust were so easy to make.
What are you doing? Sit up right. Oh. Messy. Messy. My goodness. My goodness. Look at all the drool. Sit up. Ugh.
I am. After the way I talked to you, I was kind of expecting the firing squad.
That's better.
But I decided to go for the romantic dinner.
You are just so drooly. Oh my God. Honey.
Honey, I understand how you feel about Paul. I know you're just trying to protect me.
And you're just being you. The woman that makes me pull over to the side of the road in a rainstorm to pick up a cigarette.
In my defense, I did think it was a cat.
Oh my goodness.
The point is, I can't stay mad at you for being the kind.
You can't get out of your chair yet. You're not big enough. No.
Especially since it's been 6 weeks since we've had sex.
But you can't stand up yet. You're not old enough. No. You're so weird.
You sure you're okay watching the girls all weekend?
Shane. Shane.
Yeah, we were really
You silly drooly kid.
Old friends, maybe reconnect with you.
Maybe.
Look, I know it's been hard for you to not see Bree.
Hi. Is that a camera? Is it a camera, little
Yeah,
boy?
I just bought it this week.
Little nugget. Little nugget. Little nugget.
This long red hair must have gone on it pretty recently.
Little nugget. Little nugget. Hey.
Juanita to a kid's birthday party, and I hugged a
Oh, come on.
His monkey died. He was very emotional.
So you're off to a funeral.
Doing? Don't open that. I have to very
What
carefully.
are you doing?
See that?
What are you doing? You silly little boy.
Friend being buried at sea?
Stop it. I'm gonna be late.
Late for what? Weekend getaway with Bree? Damn it, Gabby, I've forbade you to see her.
Well, that was your first mistake.
Keep trying to get out of your chair.
Did you to choose me?
Hey, you.
Yeah, ever since we moved to the street and you got so tight with those women, I always feel like you put them first.
You know that's not true.